Welcome back, and today I have another video. It's how to make a Flappy Bird game, but this is part 5. Links in the description box below, whatever I use, what assets I used. I even got a new asset, which I love. Instead of using this pole, I have a new asset which I just got. Links in the description box below. It says project where I have all my assets. You can steal it with your backpack. Means take it, do not spoil anything. You can't even. Okay, so we have the pole right now. As you can see, I even changed every. Okay, the pole is kinda awkward. So yeah, this is what we made. I believe we're not dying actually because I didn't set the color. So for better things, I'm not gonna be changing it into this pole. Can I undo it? No, can't undo it. So if it's not working, like it's not becoming that good, then just enlarge the size of it. In bitmap, you can enlarge to out of the screen, but yeah, this is what you're gonna do. And now we just have to. So if you're taking this sprite, else don't do it. You can just go to the code of the Flappy Bird. Then you can just change if then touching this color. So as you can see now, if I'm touching that color, alright, that happens. But as you remember, the track was moving. So to prevent the track moving, as you remember, we added the white lines. Let's first fix that. The white lines on the pole, that looks kind of awkward. So what I have to do is I have to make a let's first bring a appropriate backdrop. You can go to your backdrops through this. Links in the description box below. The same backdrop I use, it's kind of beautiful, that's why. Alright, I have the backdrop right here. I can enlarge it 1,000 times. Just remember to convert into vector. You will do it. Yeah, it's kind of simple. Alright. One thing you have to remember that we cloned this. So we are using both of them. Like we didn't clone, we only cloned, but we're not using the original of this. So to prevent, like we added so much counters, we can go to our variables. I'll first rename this because movement control of poles and our ground our ground. Let's just name this ground. Yes, and after that, it looks pretty better. It looks way better now, I believe. Okay, so this is what we made. We're not scoring because I removed the white lines. So I think so today we are gonna be fixing bugs today, making our look way better. So we have to make a new sprite called scoreline. Scoreline, you just have to make a just make a line. Take this is called I don't know what. I can't. Alright, what I can do is a vector. Remember to convert into vector. Make a line of the big drop like this, and just make a small line. Press shift to make it exactly 45 degrees or straight. The size will be depending of later, but for now, so you can press shift key and draw a line. Hold down shift key, I'll say. Then you can make a proper straight line. Let's remove that. Bring this bad boy here. in the center. Remember, it should be in the center. Okay, where is this? I can't see it. So enlarge that right now. Actually, I'll think 10. It's kind of camouflaged, so I can't bring it right now. So to do this, you can like change your backdrop, and you can see that it's no more camouflage. And the code for this is now it should be in the back layer, otherwise it'll look kind of silly. So when flag clicked, go to back layer. Alright, let's just do that. Now one main thing is that it should be exact line. Now we have to bring the code of this. Alright, just like that, just like that. But instead it's supposed to, oh sorry, just take the back layer on the other one. So as I brought the same code of the pool to the, what is this, sorry, score line. Now we got this, but we want to set the y. So you can see that backdrop number of stage. You can say pipe y position. Okay. So as you can see, it's now gonna appear there. But what our problem is, it's not in the center. It should be in the center, otherwise it won't work. So the pipe also should be in the center. As you can see, it's in the center. The line also should be in the center. Now it's 100% gonna work, except for it's a little ahead. No problem with that. But we'll at least score. Yeah, we're scoring 4, 5, 6. Oh, I touched that. So now let's quickly throw this backdrop off. Now you can see that as we go past, we can't score. Now let's show this thing. Oh, because it's like this. Oh, no. Show. Yeah. Let's just show this now. Yo. Why is it hiding? The clone. Oh, we don't want the clone to act. Yeah, we want the clone. This backdrop is, if I change it into another backdrop, if I do it, that comes and I can score. But if I change it into the backdrop, this one, it can't. Okay, I think I'm finding some bug. Oh, alright. As we added touching the color white, it is supposed to score by 1. So not white, but instead our color blue. How did I miss that out? So you just change it into another backdrop, go to decode, and touching color. This, it's supposed to change its score by 1. So now I hope it works. Oh, sorry. Okay, it typically works, but now you're gonna have a problem. See? So to prevent the problem, what I have to do is check the code of the bird, and instead of touching color, we can say touching our score line. So now it's gonna work. You can see it's moving. Yay! Use! It works. Now it doesn't look like that white thingy coming on top of our background. That is kind of silly, but yo. Oh, hey, how low did that go? I think so I should increase the length. So remember, increase the length as much as you can, otherwise it might not work. And put it in the center. Alright, I increase the line to the max that Scratch has. Oh wow, works perfect. Yes. Alright, 3. So we fixed one bug in 10 minutes. I know it took a little time. It's very easy, but it kinda took a lot of time. 10 minutes. So the next bug is that our ground keeps scrolling though we die. And to fix that bug, look at this. Look, it's scrolling. What we can do is, we made the code of the pipe like that, as we are using 2. Now we have to bring 2 countermeasures. Duplicate it. Oh, sorry. Add it in here. And you can throw this out. Now you will appear, see this appear. If the movement control of so now you just have to you just have to remove this move 5 steps and then add this on the top. Now you get your perfect code, and now you just have to again bring the same thing into the ground again from the pipe. It's from the pipe, okay? Remember that. And remove the move 5 steps and then add our new code in here. And now you'll see that a second bug is fixed pretty much like in 2 minutes. Exactly when I said. Alright, our ground doesn't even move. But that delay thingy is kind of alright, no problem. To fix a bug, I am still working on that. I tried a lot of stuff. I'm thinking. Oh. Ah! Instead of that, I can say this. Where I added 2 seconds over there, I can add 2 seconds in the when I start as a clone, and our bug is fixed in just like some. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my! Hey, what was that? Wait, in 2. Oh, add this below. I hope that works. Please, come on, please work, please work. Alright. This is too many poles. I guess that doesn't work. I didn't still think of how to fix that bug, but I am working on it. If I can find out a way, I'll sure show it. Today's video was only bug fixing our Flappy Bird game, not anything else. And one more bug. Like a normal Flappy Bird game, if you go down, it's like not dying. So what you can say if it is going or touching ground, if it is touching. So we instead of adding again a new script, you can just say or touching ground. So like touching the or touching the ground, or if it's touching the pool black color, then it's supposed to like stop the broadcast game and over and all. So it's like adding 2 if then reasons. So just like that. Today's video I'm making it short and I'm speaking kind of fast. So that was our third bug fix or something. Yeah. Now as you can see, if you touch the ground, what? If you're touching ground, oh sorry, if it's touching mouse pointer, I forgot to add ground. So if it's touching ground, we just have to do that. So let's add some sounds, okay? I don't like without any sounds. You can find the sounds in the description box below, what sounds I am using. It's in my assets set. This is a falling sound and this is a flapping sound. Let's just throw that meow. Links in the description box below in my assets project. It's in Scratch only. So what is this? Alright, let's name this lose. Oh, and this one, let's name this flap. Alright, I named it flap and lose. So now what you can add, oh, this is kind of getting covered. Now what you can add is like, if it's doing this, if it's touching that, it is supposed to play the sound, not flap, but lose. Oh, sorry, what? Uh, what happened? This is lose, sorry, and this is flap. Done. Good. Let's save it for now. So play loose when this like when it's touching the ground or the pool, and it is supposed to play flap. Where's flap? Yeah. So play until done. Okay. That flap, flap. All right. You can't add the flap in here, nor the loose in here. So what you can do is duplicate. Sorry. From here, duplicate this whole script, remove this, remove these and all. What you have to do is add the loose in here, add the flap over here, add a forever loop, and then when flap click. So as now you'll see. Alright. Uh, um, and then it should like typically stop the script. Alright, we have to stop the script because it's like continuous playing if it touches the pool or something. The script, not other scripts in the sprite. You can do that. Okay, yay, that worked. Oh wow, that was pretty. That was pretty. So it is about 17 or 18 minutes almost. Like 17 minutes 50 seconds. So now I will end my video over here. I made a bug fixing now. It's only bug fixing, no coding or means like tutorial. It's a bug fix. This is part 5, I guess. I don't remember. This is part 5, bug fixing only, nothing else. So, yep, bye bye.